Okay, here's meat grinder number 2, and this actually I have the funnel for stuffing sausage. You can see, this is aluminum. The rest of the machine is like cast iron and stainless steel. All right, so it's almost identical to the other machine, except the way the handle stays on this one. Slide that in there, same way. Then the handle, well, we'll put that on last. This one has got a much larger cutter on it. These are like 1/2-inch holes. These are huge. You would never use this for ground beef because it'd be way too coarse. But I think they use this a lot for sausage. Matter of fact, the sausage I just made recently on Sunday is I use this cutter. The knife looks the same as the last knife. It's just bigger because the machine's bigger. And these do go dull. Depends how much you use it. And then this is the part that screws on the front. And this one doesn't actually tell you which direction to put it on, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright, so let's put it together. We got our auger in there. Get our knife, line it up with the key or whatever you want to call that thing there. Oh, see, I already skipped a step. You gotta put the knife in first. Line that up. Then put the cutter in. And then screw this together. There we go. That spins pretty freely. Okay, and then the handle on this one kind of just locks in place. Once you start turning it, it kind of just falls into a position that it can't come off, which is what you want, you know. So, and then to take it off, you just turn it back and pull it off. Now, if you've got your stuff all ground up already, you put the funnel on, so you take all this stuff off, and you put this on only. So just screw that on all the way, and now you can stuff sausage with it. So just gotta put your casing on there, and then pretty much one person cranks while the other person, you know, takes care of the sausage that's coming off the other end. And that's pretty much it for this machine here.